from the Voice newspaper. In the Greek boards, in the boards, didn't seem to be what to do. Halisco engage with the labor tired soldiers. The minister in the statement in parliament, they were someone's most Siam, hanging to Tawari, the Dohanian Lamobela court.
Khanka Botswana ba ga iso ke gore jaaka re ba me a botsa a se sentse se buega ke sone meserai se ka se tshwaela ngala ka Botswana gore ke le reke jaaka go ntse go balwa tshologelo ya rona ne le gore e re ha go tla mo gore nkgang e rarabolwa yang a re kgang e teng e hapele ga re itse ya ga re ga re Itshekeng le puso tshologelo ne le gore re tle re bobedi jo bo kopana mme ano government sa se dirileng o tswa go kopana le di-association e seng ba ba Itshekang le ene gape a ba boa sa gore se kgetsi e a e dirileng ya boipuelo ntlhangwe e duleng mo go sene se balwa kana ke gore tautonana a re le a re masole a mo tirong le ba ba ka gontle ba tla be ba busediwa mo pensioneng ya bone e ka ha PDF Act mme boammaaruri ba kgang ke gore ga gona sepe se se ntseng jalo le santse le boela ko Botswana Public Service Pension Officers Scheme ko e leng gore teng ga e ka re gape go tsiwa yaka ke tsa gore le utlwile mo dipegong tse ne di heta ga le mo tshega e le gore mongwe madi a gagwe ga a tshware 500,000 kana a go tlase o tla ba neelwa e be go nna gore nyame re se ka ra tlhare go bona ga kana yana gore tla be re sa kopanna sepe le wena ke gore se se neng sa sologediwa le se Motswana ko ga yena a tsang gore ke sone se se diralang ke dilo tse pedi tse di harologanyeng re lwane ga e le gore ke a raba sentle se no se botsa nyampe le ba ga itse ka nna re hale ga go bega dikgambo sa ntse go riana go na le mongwe na batla go latlhela sengwe nka mo latlhelela phatlhanyana gore batho kana ke lona le tlhalosang setlhako gate se isa morwadi wa sone ano ke lona le rweleng setlhako se se isa
ya grao a me bone lo a tlhaloganya gore go buiwa kae grao kana what the government is saying yene o change denominator fela to 375 a denominator it is a part within the formula to calculate an individual's pension. So I want to pension in your no. You push it out. I like it. Denominator, I like your HH1. Denominator, I calculate the pension. As a statement, this is in so good delay. La Masolar, Amon La Chai but we say we are going pension in Yabo, the AOBDF. Those are two different statements. La now just be clear like that. So we are the denominator is a part more calculation in your house to arrive at the individual's pension. How we say you are going pension in your whole as per the spirit of the BDF Act. It means that you will be getting a pension every month. I want to go to the threshold. The spirit of the BDF Act of 1977 was that each and every soldier who retires in the BDF will get a pension. And our calculators, it's a range between 73 and 75%. Later, then how church you go pension in charge. What is your more than threshold? How much our pension would add investment less than 500,000? Go to water. So let them pay Kuba. Kabazona Baba kind of pension, but there is a new denominator. But now about the difference between what you are supposed to receive and what you receive. Right? That is why we only this magic figure of 20%, because the difference is about 20%. Yeah, but so for our I don't say pension. Unto our pension. Orang tak wah jadi kita jadi mana leu. Kamu so wah boleh pilih kan wah yes or no. So that is why our issue yang the issue road merangkap dalam masalah orang. Rencana itu regular pension as per video of act like what mengambil petua anena. So that is all what we want. So that there is no junior, whatever rank it is, cannot earn a pension. All these things internationally in the military, they are always like that. Pension. Mabakali langu tena amantinya amano. So sometimes you as a soldier, you do not have the right to unionize. So you cannot negotiate your condition of service. That is why your rights and your pension are protected within the PDF Act. So in this particular issue here is that now your rights have been violated. Your pension is not being protected. It's left to the market to deal with it. So that is why how to know about the young. I don't want to pension now gave less than 500,000 I was talking to one sergeant this morning, when I did 21 years. Threshold I want is 379,000. 379,000. Whatever car did 21, more than 20 years of service. That's my hand to and a pension. Without that, I had 379 owner. About the head goal of the Howard, about the full day, about I will be him. I will talk years ago. That is the reality of life. When we talk about the disadvantage and the poverty which we see, momentarily, it's not right. So what people should understand is that how we got paid, we run out about that thing. We can okay to a video of act, because the video of act taking. This video of act is going to be your Bible. But you are going to follow. What you in your heart. More or less, you know, what I do a job. How you call a pension out of that? You are a job. When now I need legitimate expectation, we try to cut out after 20 years of service. Pension out or you call it over there. Or die. Unfortunately, Muhirika way. Without you participating in that, change those conditions of service. Change them. That is why we call it an illegal transfer from the video of act pension to the public service officers pension. When how cannot negotiate your condition of service, why do they now have? When I want to talk about the remedial quality commission, whenever Babu Bat Sayat could show service about change. God, when I know that they are well. Now, if I 20 years about Rabat, can I make well again? I don't my young to our companion get less than 500,000. What I want to go, how I pension. We say how qualities. We cannot about changes in Mukaka. When I'm to eat in a bona bacana, road hacker that I can be the effect run a little bit, and I may pension I make in Zanaja. That you know, down mood, I am there. You don't look at a call in push at the little Maravati, there's another change. Yamu Vera. You see, that is the reality why Maswale pension on a class is not as per the Deed of Act of 1977. The document which it was our Bible, which it was shown to us, which ra ne ra tshuleta mabora ra ikana ka dira yang ke one ye ne gore ne re tshela ka yona e tsenya sengwe sa rona. So that is why le tshwanetse re tlhaloga yana ba tlo ba ntse go nya re change from 600 to 375 pension is here. No, that is not true. That is not true. And no one le tlhaloga according to the bigger fact ga se gore tare ha ke ta we ke tokala la jalo go fedile kane nya even your spouse is being catered for kana ba sala your dependents are being catered for. Yeah, public service pension fund you are only getting how can na ba dia ba tokala before we had that 10 years you want the dependents are what you want to see my god how can say more than 10 years how tokala ba only say. So your condition of service has been seriously altered. Seriously. And that puts you in a serious disadvantage.
Thank you, Church. There is one very pertinent issue that we clarify. It is actually deviating from what you have just said, government and our wages. And that is the sentiment that we hear in the public domain and from some of the retirees, kind of affected individuals. However, our government then are what are you saying? Are you saying what government is offering, you should not take it? We have never said that as the leadership. But we are just saying, take what government will give you because you cannot refuse. More especially the government is just like it's going to be dumping it on us. But the spirit of the press release is that it is not yet Uhuru. The very core issue, before all today were before the courts. Let us be given the appropriate net replacement ratio, able to afford the military retirees a decent living, away from abject poverty, which keep on vibrating from the press release. So Lona has affected individuals, and what we are saying to the members of the press, what government is actually offering is partial to the fulfillment of the requirement which we have placed before the courts. So we are saying no. They are still far to settle. That is the sentiment of this press statement. They can say whatever they want to say in different forums, but they're still far away, fulfilling what is before the courts. And the fact that they are not applying themselves to the matter that is before the courts, it's a deliberate effort to deny, to play this matter down, and then play to the public gallery, or we are settling, when they are not settling. Thank you.
se re batlang le se tlhaloganya se re batlang Batswana ba se tlhaloganya ke gore ke bila gape ba tla re bolaisa Batswana ka re Batswana bona ba tsa gore re tlo go bala madi hai madi ao. So what we are saying ke gore ha ba ka go vitsa as an individual, if you are called tomorrow as an individual, take this. Take it, but take it without prejudice. Or make sure that you have not committed yourself for a while. You are withdrawing your matter with government and court. That's what we are saying. Because this matter, if you are not careful, at the end of the day, but we have settled with you. Of the 4 demands we are making, they have dealt with just a corner. Words are money, you have been paid, and your matter has been finalized. And we continue to emphasize for those of you who don't even have 200 Pula pension monthly. Little at the end of the day, it's not going to give you that. The settlement because it's not what we are dealing with ourselves. It's our person.
Traditional doctor. I don't know why my medicine will work here. Okay, unfortunately, in the BDF Act, so I don't know whether BDF Act is classified for a reason, the benefit. Or king, unless it is classified. Okay, sorry. I cannot also retire. Traditional doctor or medical corps. I've heard what the government is saying. Denominator will let you prove it. BDF Act, so I don't know whether it's classified, so that it should be clear or BDF Act. Is it that's right? Yeah. So, how do compared to the otherwise, it can't cause only saying. Or Habaga Kalfumel about Zabogana, I have already one more Kalpai. I wish I brought mine. None of you I did it in the level.
Just answer. Make Rian Renere Totare Rikupile Bubehadi Hangor Wotebo Copanelero Namosopolo Jano Niki by Hile Kiliki Copa Kabuko Goveso Habasena Din Tadi Bereba Holole Rebecca Raba Zalona. Can I tell you what I this is Batamore? It's our Nebasata. Kanye tlhatswang la ora a tota kanye re utlwile intsi jaaka re utlwile go tsagaya na ya ke sone se bone ba se batlang rona gore yana go tswa ha re ya go kae go ke se re tla sala re na re simuna mo kae arabe go tara yone ba BDF Act schedule 4 high classified ke gore ha so se classified. It's a public document. When I can now for government print, we go ahead and take a copy at the Ghana is part of the laws of Botswana. That's why I will take a chapter 21. Right. Part of the laws of Botswana. Jam BDF Act, Baraj, Ikile Haira Galore, change you 2018. Mainly high change you. So says salets more young. Says he doing kidnap, sailing Kanyaro Naya Pelama Second. Denominator Remo acting our we calare 1/600. Mianon rare. 1/600. Who was alive to make kidnap or Badirala Puso, Bane Balemo 1/600, Telerona Balemo 1/720. Hone gata gore ka 1998 ba isiwe ko 450 gabe go sa salo morago le rona be re tsengwa mo go 1/450 mme dipuisano ne di tsweletse nako e ne re busiwa gore re direlwa sengwe se se tla supang gore mabaka a rona a pereko kgotsa conditions of service tsa masole di pharologane gape le ga makgotlatshekelo gompieno ke gore a go bona le pharologanyo ga gare ga masole ba hiwa denominatora e tla ba nayang sengwe se se botoka ka gore ga ba tshwane ka mabaka a pereko le bodirela puso yo bongwe bo ba bapileng le bone so ka bokhutshwane act yone e santse le ko 600 e le gore ke 600 hela wa gore dilo ga di seke di hogele go hetolwa le hape le defense council ne ke a lebella ya seka nako eneng go ne ga emišwa sentse dira disekaseko mela ka bokhutshwane ga se gore ga go tere tshwanetse re duelwe as per the PDF act go twa re boela go 1/600 meme pitse a ke tsora tla kgona go re pitse kana ke kopa gore o bue gore o tswa ko kae
Prior before 2012, till 77, as the association, Mobile by number one, they cannot go database when high access. Real association is probably I am pretty sure our woman was a woman that is in Yahan. Yabu hair to work. Once we work association into negotiate your law, local gain over higher court. Never to problem association over key.
But this other one you talk about of a possible strike. Remember what I said when I made welcoming remarks. There are people out there who are strenuously trying to give the impression that we are politically motivated or there are some ill intentions. Unfortunately, government has fallen into this trap. Government itself has fallen into this trap. And in actual fact, they are the ones who are politicizing us. Our strikes start now, let me tell you, those who will strike are our enemies, not us. I hope you understand.
Yeah, thank you very much. Make a we do not intend to embark on any strike, and we are not that low class. That strike. Now we are so disciplined. Rauka. Malawaraka, no one is was no gain at Iguagayo. Omaha Yugasin. The current the database contact the CDC is more like a 2012 for some make our record by Friday. The contact is somewhere in the hair. I will be an answer from 1977. They were perfect by last week Friday. So this year we tsamaya sentle ya. So ba ba ka ntano e rete no utlwa le gore ka re di sa siama mme ba di ba ka ntse. Ye nngwe yo bua nka yone wa re go na la association yo go ntse ga o buisana le yone. Not to our knowledge. I want association e be go romenta ke na buisana le yone. That is not true. Even the minister told us that. Go na la association e nngwe ya go be e bitwa go te military veterans of Botswana. Ye teletse pele ke Brigadier Masisi. Brigadier Masisi le korong itse sentle ke mogolo we aba commander in chief. So ba sena ona ba jwa ke ditho. Ba go ba go forma association yone ye le ke ba bone ba le mo TV ba le mo radio. May I can tell you, those ones about the negotiator. That's not true. The minister told us. But now I negotiate alone. If we like about it, let's actually around to review about it. For when they have taken a decision who redo like I did later at 375. They were brief like us, they were called like us. Not a telephone, how whenever to go around. I don't know about negotiate. I go about the kana re tshwana ya re ga ke batse go dumela ke yona ke re go na le mongwe yo dileng ga nna le ene ga re ga go ditwa le re ba bona mo TV ba ntse ba bua rona la re di of military tag association yo tota ke tlhatsola ke papa mans a re le telo go coverwa ke government media la o ka bala le go bona re ba yo re ba la le ka ka ba ba ke le ba ntaletsa ka ba ke na le Brigadier ga go le Brigadier di kobe batho ba go mangwa ke batho mo masoko ba ne ba rela le tsae rona a le biso le re mo re ka ka go a ka ka re PDF retired military retired officers ena le malo a le 1400 ba dina your platform o ne ala batho ba 50 MVO military veterans association of Botswana na less than but why should they be given a platform by the government? Rona dresa ne wele. Ha o mona go tsana re le tsara le kopa ya na le Botswana ya na rona re pe ga samolai. Mme ke a itina le bona re le ka ya mpele. O ba 700. Ha ke itse bona go ba teng gore ha ba ite ba ke tsitse go ya itsenya. Lo ke wa ra bile go tlotle ke tsate. Kana bona le we ka bengise.
Dumelang bagaetsho ke re ka ra gona le potso engwe bakaolengwe banna ba ntshwenya ka yone ke batla gore ba rena ba iclearega ka gore ke nna ke ntse ke ba tlhalosetsa but e nna e ntse e tlhagoga potso e ke ya gore a jaanong ga madi a tla le biditswe lebile bitswe ko le tlabe le biditswe teng kana ko accounts general gore le tle go saenela madi a lona a re tla re ga le senana la a bona gore madi a gago ke ya nyelenyele ke e hai a re saene kana re se ka ra saena a ga go a nna yang a ke re ke yone e le e botsang gore a re saene kana re se ka ra saena ke batla gore ba rena ba e le tlhaloseditse re ne re ipoditse lawyera ba tla le bolelela
so we'll reserve that for that moment.
Thank you.
Since we went to unfortunate statements that sometimes are given all I'm saying to you, friends, we have other members of Itshekeng who have voluntarily and continue to voluntarily join us. and are doing so in the spouses are the deceased members who are basically seeking justice for what they have not been given. Amen.
Mo nakong eno ba gaetso ke tla kopela ba bega dikgang ba presse gore re ba golole ba ne ba ye go tsaya dikgang tse dingwe go le baeng